Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Yahya. The aim or the purpose of this video is to talk about something called multi-platform mobile application development with React Native. But before that, I want to mention something. That course or that, let us say, development, I have just took this information during these couple of days during the curfew or lockdown because of coronavirus. So that's why I decided to go with something called React Native, which is working for a cross-platform. Cross-platform means that if I want to develop application, that application will work on both Android and iOS at the same time with the same code, which is called JavaScript, and that will save time and save even cost for me. So when I'm saying cost, why? Because if I need to work with iOS, I have to go with Mac, so I have to buy Mac. And even if I want to go with, for example, Android, so I have to go with Visual Studio, develop application with native programming languages for both Android and iOS. So that's why what we can do, we can use React Native that's work up on top of JavaScript. So React Native is used for developing mobile application in both Android and iOS. So I will just give you a quick review for application, or for to say simple application that I have developed during these couple of days. That application will used a React Native development. Okay, this is iOS device, that is iPhone. I want to just give you an example for the application that I developed. The application consists of a menu, and that menu we have a list of items inside that menu. We can use that application for restaurant, for whatever we want, or for whatever we have to do. However, that application is used something called stack menu. That stack menu just shows the list of items that we have, and then once we press on any of item exists on the screen, we can see the details of that item. That details consist of description and then image, and that images is already uploaded to the application itself, so it will directly shown on the application. That's for iOS. One important thing that I want to mention here is look at the design of the menu. I will show you the Android device and how that design will be different on Android application. Look at the Android application, what we have there. In the Android application, we have a menu which is look like totally different from, or such different with the iOS application. So that's why if you look at for the example this item and then look at the screen, it will show something similar with the iOS application, but in a small different with iOS application. This is powerful of the React Native that we can differentiate between both Android and iOS application. The important note that I want to mention here is the React Native is a most powerful platform. That platform, it can be used, something called JavaScript, or with the code compiled inside both devices, iOS and Android. The important thing that I want to mention here is anything changed on the code, it would directly reflect it on both Android and iOS at the same time, and that I take something called Node.js. Node.js is a very powerful platform used with the React Native to develop that application. Thank you very much.